Okay. Tim, let's move on and talk about and cover the kind of the second theme that we're going to be discussing today, and that is the ability for end users to make more judicious, faster, better, more accurate investment and business decisions. So what I want to know from you then is what is the premise behind the availability of LSEG's tech history with AI enhanced capabilities? What can clients practically expect as a consequence of that initiative? And how does it make their lives better, or perhaps how does it make them better in their roles within their respective organizations?
Yeah, great question. Most certainly, and this is not just about trading. Tech history is used in many different contexts, and a lot of that context is research.
Yep.
And having an AI system where you can take an immense amount of market data and apply to, say, another LSEG data set, such as our quantitative analytics or our machine readable news,
Yep.
you can bring those two data sets together and create what we call infused reasoning. And what that does is it joins two data sets together and literally comes up with a new data set because it's come out with a response. It's not just saying, at this particular point, the price went up because of this news event. It can incorporate the two and give you a summarization of both.
Mm-hmm.
It can also do the calculations that we do on tick history. So there's concepts like VWAPs and TWAPs and aggregating data into 1 minute bars and 1 hour bars. That can all be done on the fly by AI and infuse it into other data sets. And you get a summarization with the end result calculation. It's very exciting for a lot of people because you don't need these separate teams in our customers to do one part here, one part there, join that data there, join that other data set over here and try and create all that. It could be done systematically. To your question, what we built was the conceptual element that we show to customers to say, this is what you can build. And generally we ask them, do they work with your cloud provider? Because it can be very difficult to go out and acquire all of the AI hardware and do it through data centers, and can be very expensive. And we serve our tick history data through the various cloud providers, Google, AWS, and Microsoft. And that allows you to then use their AI services applied to our data. So literally, it's actually, quite true. It's AI with a mouse click. The data's already stored.
Yep.
It's normalized. It's structured. It's available instantly.
Yep.
We can share it to the customer. They don't have to download it, and then they just apply the AI.
Yeah. So you're not selling a product. You're selling. You basically got all this massive amount of data, which is basically the intelligence of any AI system, is the data underpinning it, right?
Correct.
So, and then you can use, or end users can use, any form of artificial intelligence and analytical tools, I suppose, to interrogate that data, right?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah.